Hey everyone, as a lifestyle host and a real estate advisor here in Orange County, I'm always on the lookout for local businesses and individuals who are truly passionate about helping others to live their best lives. Now, when I heard about Dr. Jen Armstrong with Armstrong MD, I was intrigued and I just had to learn more. Let's go meet her now. Hey everyone, well I'm thrilled to be with Dr. Jen Armstrong. Now Dr. Jen Armstrong is the founder of Armstrong MD here in Newport Beach. Now Dr. Jen, when I first met you, I have to say you are so, I hate to use the expression down to earth because it sounds kind of cliche, but you really are. You're like the girlfriend. And then when I found out you're a doctor, I'm like, what? Well, then you tell me you are, you practice aesthetic medicine.
Yes.
Now, not everyone knows what that is, so explain exactly what that is.
So aesthetic medicine, I think, has kind of a bad rep, I would say, because people think it's looking different or the big lips and the big cheeks, but really what it is just being your best self and getting back to how you looked 10 years ago, creating balance in your face.
Well, I love what you do is, we had a conversation the other day, and I've never heard this. I think we should coin this phrase, by the way. When I thought, I used to have this connotation that Botox, fillers, it was, I hate to say phony, but you know, people want to look natural. And
Always.
So many women and men, because I know you have men as patients as well, really want to just maintain. I mean, we work out, we a lot of us color our hair, get our nails done. Why shouldn't we take care of our skin? So what is a good plan to keep yourself looking your best at every age?
So the term was generational medicine. So when I look at aesthetic medicine, it's really like age management, right? We're born, we have this gorgeous young skin that's like no sunspots whatsoever.
Yeah.
And our whole life we're actually trying to maintain that, right? Over age, we get sun damage, we have tear troughs, and lose fat in our face, our bodies sag and get painful and less muscle. So we're really looking at all those different aspects of health to maintain your youth.
Well, I love that. Now you have three different areas you focus on. Tell us about those.
So balance, beauty, body.
Okay.
So balance, we're keeping your hormones in check, your weight in check, because those are things, if they're off, it's gonna affect how you are overall.
Right.
Right? We wanna make sure that there's no internal reason that your hair is not growing. We wanna look at the inside of the person, we wanna look at the whole person. It's very important when we're looking at health. And then beauty, we're talking about, skin laxity, lifts, volume, pigmentation, the neck lift, the under eye tear troughs, everything to get you back to how you were feeling in your 20s.
Right.
Or even sometimes people in their 20s, they were born with the tear troughs. Let's get you back to have your face look balanced and healthy.
Yeah. Well, one thing I love about you specialize, if I'm not wrong, in non-invasive, right?
Yes. So I'm actually a licensed surgeon, but I don't do surgery. So I'm here to keep you out of the OR.
I love that. That's awesome. Well, basically from head to toe, you want people to, and you are beautiful, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah, but the most important thing I love about Dr. Jen, once again, I really believe you want to, help people be their best.
Yes.
Mind, body, spirit, right? And
body. We didn't talk about the body part yet.
Yeah.
So the other part is body, right? When you think of body, you think of like losing weight and building muscle, but it's actually more than that. Yes, we have weight loss, muscle building, fat loss, but also sunspots on the legs.
Oh, right.
Skin laxity, cellulite, all those things come together so that you feel good head to toe.
Well, I think the reason why so many people love you is it's said, and many people know this, people work with those they like, they know, and they trust.
Well, I'll have to tell you, people are like, oh, you don't do anything, you look so natural. I'm like, I've done everything in my office a couple times, maybe even more than that. And so not only do I stand behind everything that I do it to myself too.
Right, but it's maintenance to look beautiful. You're not trying to look 20.
We're not trying to look different, we're trying to look our best.
Yeah, that's what I love about you. Well, listen, Dr. Jen, once again, she's committed to helping you look your best without, non-invasive, of course. And once again, you can trust her, feel good about her, and like her. I mean, you're so likable. That's what I love about you. You're just like a girlfriend. Are you sure you're a doctor?
I'm pretty sure. I got some degrees to show it.
Anyway, go to armstrongmd.com and really come and see Dr. Jen. She'll just really, I believe, elevate your whole, how you feel about yourself, mind, body, and spirit. Thank you, Dr. Jen.
Thanks, Jules.